Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic salad dressing. Let's begin by understanding the fundamental elements that create a delicious and healthy dressing. We'll explore why choosing organic ingredients is beneficial and how a simple 3-to-1 ratio of oil to acid forms the perfect base. This foundational knowledge will empower you to craft your own unique and wholesome dressings right in your kitchen. Now, let's dive into the star players of your organic dressing. Opt for high-quality organic extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil as your primary fat source, offering both flavor and health benefits. For acidity, organic apple cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar are excellent choices, each bringing its own distinct character. Don't forget fresh organic herbs and spices. They are crucial for adding vibrant, natural flavors to your creation. Ready to mix? Start by combining your chosen organic oil and acid in a bowl or a jar with a tight-fitting lid. If using a bowl, whisk vigorously for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to emulsify the mixture, creating a smooth, cohesive dressing. If using a jar, simply shake it well until everything is thoroughly combined. Then, slowly incorporate your dry seasonings, adjusting to your preferred taste. The best part about homemade dressing is customization. Feel free to adjust the oil-to-acid ratio to suit your palate, or add a hint of organic maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Explore different organic mustards, fresh citrus zests, or finely minced shallots to create unique flavor profiles. Once perfected, store your delicious organic dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.